On the 12th day before Christmas, Paulie's kitchen recipe, cabbage cooked in butter. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen, the festive edition. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious cabbage recipe. It has a slight hint of coriander in there. Don't let that put you off. Coriander goes really well with orange and carrots, and I always have orange glazed carrots on my Christmas dinner and it's absolutely incredible. So guys, everything for this recipe you will need is right here. It's a very simple recipe. Thought cabbage was going to roll off then. It's a very simple recipe and it's really quick to do and definitely deserves a place at your Christmas table. So if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But guys, we're going to dive straight in. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cabbage and I'm going to try and roll it down my arm. It didn't work very well, did it? We're going to take a cabbage, way that one was better. We're just going to take the outer leaves off of this, just like that. So now that you've taken the outside leaves off, what we're going to do is we're going to peel the cabbage, just like this. As you can see, it's nice and washed, water everywhere. What we're going to do is we're going to take our sharp knife, going to cut straight down the middle, and we're going to place one half on top of the other half. And we're going to press down, and now we're going to shred them. Just take off this big thingy first. Not quite sure what the technical term is, but we're going to get rid of these, and we're just going to shred this. Once it's all shredded up like this, we're going to take our saucepan and place our butter into the saucepan and pop that on our stove. So we're going to take our lighter and we're just going to light the front of our stove. So we're going to heat our butter up until it bubbles up and looks like this. So we're going to take our big bowl of cabbage that I put in the bowl while he wasn't watching, and we're just going to pop that in there like that. So we're going to turn the heat down, take our spatula, and we're just going to cook our cabbage. So don't worry too much if you think your cabbage is going to burn. It won't. There's a lot of moisture in cabbage, as there are in all vegetables, as I should say. And basically what you're doing is you're going to cook the cabbage in its own moisture along with a little bit of butter. So we're going to keep the heat on the cabbage and we're going to keep stirring it until it looks like this. So once it does, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to take our half a teaspoon of ground coriander. We're going to pop that in there. We're going to take a pinch of salt and we're going to stir that through. So now that we've stirred that through, we're going to take one of these, which I have no idea what they're called, but it saves my sideburn from being burnt, which is amazing. I'm going to pop that there. And we're just going to take our saucepan across to here. So we're going to take our glass bowl. And we're just going to empty our cabbage into our glass bowl. So yeah, as you can see guys, it looks absolutely delicious. It's got a lovely bright green colour. It's not limp at all. It's not tasteless like it would be if you'd boiled it. And it definitely deserves a place at your Christmas table. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, I hope you're inspired, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.